Gonna try to start the fire with a blowtorch. I already put used cooking oil on the wood, so it should take off and go. It should take off and go real good once that cooking oil gets lit. It's starting to go now. I think it's gonna go. I hope it'll take off and go real good. We're camping at the Green Swamp in Dade City, Florida. The video is shot in 4K with a Sony HDR AX33 camcorder. It shoots some real good video. You wouldn't believe how it eats up the memory. It eats up the memory and the battery. That cooking oil helped this fire get going. I poured cooking oil all over the wood. That's what's making it go. Used cooking oil that I got for free. That cooking oil would probably get a wet wood going again too. It might, I don't know. The wood I got is dry. It looks like I'm gonna have a nice campfire tonight. I got a lot of wood to burn.